Today I'm sharing with you how to make tandoori chicken wings, which make for a great appetizer for parties or the perfect snack to binge on during family game nights. So let's get started. For making tandoori spice chicken wings, you need 33 chicken wing pieces, and I have used these pre-cut wings that have been cut into winglets and drumettes with the wingtip discarded. You can get the same or even cut them at home. Half a cup of thick full-fat yogurt, 4 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. For spices you need 1 tablespoon garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon tandoori masala powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala powder, 3 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder and 2 tablespoon kasuri methi. Also 2 teaspoons salt, 1.5 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tablespoon lemon juice or extract and 3 tablespoon oil. To begin with, in a bowl, mix all the ingredients together: yogurt, ginger garlic paste, spice powders, salt, corn flour, lemon juice and oil to make a tandoori masala marinade. Also, I recommend cleaning and patting dry the chicken before marination so that there is no excess liquid in there. Now apply the marinade to the chicken wing pieces, ensuring to coat them very well. Then let the chicken marinate in this tandoori spice mix for at least 4 to 6 hours. Though if you're in a rush, 1 to 2 hours of marination will suffice. I usually refrigerate it overnight and then thaw it at room temperature for about 30 minutes or so before cooking it. And it's easiest to bake these wings in the oven, but you can also air fry the wing pieces, especially if you're making only a few of them. And there is always the option of grilling them, but because these are smaller wing pieces and not the full wings, I prefer to bake or air fry them and use the grill for larger cuts of meat. For baking them, just line them up on a greased rack in a lined baking tray and bake them at 400 Fahrenheit for about 35 to 40 minutes, ensuring to flip once at the halfway mark. When they are cooked, juicy and tender, take them out. If you're air frying them, just grease the basket or the liner if you're using one like me. Place the wings in the basket and air fry at 390 Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, flipping them once at the halfway mark. And there you have it, crispy yet juicy and delicious tandoori chicken wings. Serve it with ranch, Szechuan chutney or a dip of your choice and enjoy! For the written and printable version of this recipe, check the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button at the bottom of this video. It really helps me out. And subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you again, happy cooking!